Let's check it out today, the observation launch that probably I didn't show very well in my first video. I'm gonna show you all here with more details and more peaceful because nobody's here. It's very early in the morning, everybody's sleeping. I love this statue, the decorations. I get the carpet, it's brand new too after the renovation. The view is amazing as always. You have a bar here. There is people here working. I guess they are putting everything set up for today because today is gonna be probably day. It's gonna be like live music and everything to keep the people entertainment. I love those chairs. Yes, all the carpets are brand new. And furniture too, you can see. It's all brand new. Never used before. Well, the first group that was before us. We are the second group after the renovation. If you like my video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna be posting more videos later on today because today is days, so I have free time. If you wanna see more videos about this, please let me know today so I can post it and record it for you, especially for you all. See you in the next one.